Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful life skills, communication.
Exactly. If you can communicate clearly and confidently, you can do anything. Interviews, relationships, presentations, everything become easier.
So today we will share our top 3 tips to improve your communication skills. Simple, real and effective.
You probably heard this before, but it's 100% true. Great communication starts with listening. Most people think talking makes them a good communicator, but actually listening is the secret weapon.
Yes, when you really listen, you understand others, not just their words, but their emotions and ideas too. And people love being heard. That's why good listeners automatically become good speakers.
Let's be honest, most of us just wait for our turn to talk. But if you focus on the other person, look into their eyes, nod, and really pay attention, you'll build trust instantly.
Here's a small challenge for you. Next time you talk to someone, listen without interrupting for at least 1 full minute. It will completely change how they respond to you.
That's such a powerful tip because communication is not just about what you say, it's also about how safe people feel talking to you.
Exactly. And remember, listening shows respect and respect creates connection. Now let's talk about the second tip. Practice every single day. Confidence doesn't come overnight. You build it one conversations at a time.
Totally agree. You don't need to study English for hours. Just talk for 5 minutes daily. Maybe describe your morning routine or talk about what you learned today.
Yes, and mirror practice really works. Stand in front of mirror and say, "Hi, I am Shakira. I feel great because today is my birthday." Smile while talking. You'll see your confidence grow day by day.
Another smart trick, record your voice on your phone. When you listen later, you'll notice where you sound strong and where you can improve.
And please don't be shy about mistakes. Every fluent speaker you know once made hundreds of mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are not failure. They are feedback. Every time you speak, your brain gets stronger.
So instead of thinking, what if I sound weird? Think, what if I sound better than yesterday? That small shift will change everything.
And now, tip number 3, be clear and confident. Don't try to sound complicated or use big fancy words.
Yes, communication is not about showing off. It's about being understood. Use short, clear sentence. Speak slowly and let your message breathe.
You know, confidence is 70% body language and 30% words. Before you speak, take a breath, smile, and relax your shoulders.
That's a great tip because when you are relaxed, your voice automatically sounds warm and friendly.
And if you ever feel nervous while talking, just remind yourself it's not an exam, it's just a conversation.
Exactly. We often fear judgment, but most people are not judging. They are just listening. So be natural, be kind, and speak from your heart. Before we warm up, here's a quick bonus tip. Learn new words, but don't just memorize them.
Yes, use them in real life. For example, if you learn the word curious, try saying I am curious about learning new things.
That way, your brain connects the word with meaning and emotions, and you'll never forget it.
And you can even learn from your surroundings, YouTube videos, English podcast, or your English favorite shows. Just notice how people talk and copy their tone naturally.
Now, here's our challenge for all listeners. Pick just one tip and today's episode and practice it daily for 7 days.
You can start small. Maybe practice speaking in front of a mirror or talk with a friend in English.
Then come back and comment below. Tell us what changed in your confidence. We'd love to hear your progress.
Because your journey inspires others too.
So let's recap today's episode quickly. 1. Listen more than you speak. 2. Practice every day. 3. Be clear and confident.
And remember, communication is not about being perfect. It's about connecting with people through word, tone, and emotion.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
We'll be back soon with another real, simple, and useful episode to help you grow.
Stay confident, stay kind, and keep practicing your communication every day. Take care and see you next time.